In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more emotes here in Soccer Zero on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to literally every single comment down there. But go ahead and first open up the game and you need to find the little locker menu down in the very bottom. Go ahead and select locker and go specifically into the emote section, and this is going to show you all of the emotes that you currently own. I actually don't own any right now, and in my case, to get even more emotes, and in your case as well, that's why you're watching this video, to actually get them, what you need to do is back out of this section and open up this little shop tab just like so. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff. I'd recommend going to the section that looks something like weekly, because you can go ahead and purchase emotes and outfits in here as well for some yen, just like so. Like if I wanted a cool goal effect, I could go ahead and purchase that, and then an emote, I could purchase that as well. And to actually, of course, equip those, all I need to go ahead and do is, once again, return to that locker section. Then in the emote section, it'd pop up. I'd select it and it would equip it. Then all you'd have to do is hit X, open up the emote wheel, and start doing your emote. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.